Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Wagwan viewers and subscribers, me there again, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Now today is Sunday, so me not really and truly going to talk about a whole lot of violence, but me just present videos to you that have been talked about on social media, and I'm going to leave at least one video with you. See me I say? So I'm going to present a video to your viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen carefully to some words that a person said in the video, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so the video is going to show law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica, and you're going to hear a person saying some words about those persons who are said to be law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. I want you to listen carefully to some words that have been said in this video and tell me what you think. Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
Bro, them stop traffic like
service the machines, so they gotta stop the traffic.
bro. Literally like bury them over there so I load up the machine them and the dog them there right just so.
At a standstill, nobody, no entrance, no
Can't move. Watch it.
no nothing.
Watch it squaddy them and soldiers supposed to clap. No sir.
Traffic is at a standstill.
Yo, watch it dog them.
Watch the police.
No OM.
Now viewers and subscribers, I am not able to confirm if the words that have been said in the video are accurate, viewers and subscribers. But in my point of view, if law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica decide to take certain measures or to be very cautious when it comes down to certain things that are happening and have happened within the country of Jamaica, then I think it's okay in my point of view. You know what I say? So tell me if you hear anyone say part of a security company name in the video, or if you hear someone mention the name of a security company in the video at all. Alright? Let me know what you think about the video. Some persons on social media found the video to be funny, some persons do not. Now I'm going to move on to the next video. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show at least one security guard holding a gun and looking different directions, viewers and subscribers, as I say. Now based on comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that some persons might have found this video to be amusing, and some persons on social media might have also found this video to be funny, as well as some people might be thinking other things about this same video that I'm about to present to you. Anyways, here I'm going to present the video to you, and I want you to tell me what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers. I would like you to tell me if you think the person who you can see in the video holding the gun was moving very cautious, or if you think the person was not moving cautious. Alright? Observe.
Kau mana mamu Gigi? Kau mana mamu Gigi? Kau mana mamu Gigi?
My people, if a bike muffler ever go bop, yeah, tell you. Now here I'm going to leave a video with you, and this video is going to show a reptile, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, yeah, you can just say animal, viewers and subscribers, because some of the times I have somewhat of a difficulty identifying certain species of reptiles, viewers and subscribers. So someone just say reptile, you understand me? But basically, the video shows a reptile, and a real. Me or someone say some words in the video that I really and truly want you to listen to, viewers and subscribers, and tell me what you think, alright? Yeah, so I just left this video with you. Today is really Sunday. Don't really want to show a whole lot of violence, just certain videos that have been talked about on social media, Oh yeah, and this video is a live recording, you see me? Alright, so here's the video, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect each and everyone.
Me forgive my hug, but watch out. Even in my dream, I know hug none of them. No, so I take out my lighter door, peeps. When I really do nothing with him, I'm just there, so I feel him place this, Dog just come out and take a sunbath, Safari, man. It's a St. Elizabeth Black River Safari, My dog place this, man. Well, I water for you, you know. I say I'm not dead. I'm not dead, man. Look on him good, see, he helping and everything. I'll find out. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Black River. Pier 45, man. Right there, somebody see there. Bar down this and Safari right over here, so set speed, you know. I take up my lighter, dog, God, no. Can't keep quiet on it. Yeah, man, I want a good little place, man, you know. Them give a tour upon the safari, you know, see me? Carry down a one place, and you go see one whole heap of them. Up on the boat already, the man all tell me about it touching it. You're mad. Sick, brother. So I want to steal him little computer, big one, you know, man. So I want to come like a baby, man. Go out there and see some man, I tell you, say them bigger than a boat. Man, I come tell me about them friendly. Said speed in a snow god. Alright, you know, man, if you go though. Gain a little tour behind him. Can I go near the wall there, you know? See me? Dangerous piece of sitting this in, man. Sure. I think big and long, man. And check it out, some bigger one out there. But shot star, you know, say a joke to get take it for. Man, I say if touch him. Nah, do that. Boy, you're deadly, you know, man. Watch it. If a gunshot, I think you can slow down this as you know, man. I and this area see make out of dog. All them in the Gaza, put it up now.